With the increased requirements for new builds, a lot of new builds and builders in general really know the importance of protecting the gutters. A lot of the new builds are being built from the Klip-Lok product, and we were having difficulties in installing to this type of roof and to make it compliant. So what we did recently is we developed a product that we call our Supa-Dek clip, and it's to the shape of the Klip-Lok roof. We now know that things like Klip-Lok roofs with box gutters and even standard roofs with Klip-Lok roofs are fantastically secured through this product. It's a snap fix product with one screw into the high rib, which holds the mesh down perfectly to protect the gutters. Continually trying to improve our products, we knew that the clips that hold them down to a roof needed to be strengthened, and it's really hard to strengthen a product other than going into a heavier gauge steel or something. So what we did is developed a ribbing system on the back of our clips, which makes them stronger. You don't need a stronger product, but it still gives it the flexibility to be able to shape to the roof. So our double ribs on all of our products are really important for the strength of the clips.